woke up later than usual. Lost my bedroom, let me go, but there's nothing more for sure. I don't wanna struggle you no more. Maybe later, not today. Everything will be okay.
Espero que les haya gustado. Dale like y suscríbete para más contenido increíble.